nice. Chocolate. So cocoa bean, we mix it with the coffee. So it has a cocoa coffee. You can taste this.
So tinuturo niya tayo sa different.
Cacao also have coffee, or you mix with coffee, or it's cacao more on cacao?
We mix it with coffee. So it has cocoa coffee. Even we have a cocoa chocolate. Like that is already, the yellow one is ready.
Okay already.
Yeah.
Cocoa, tapos coffee.
After 1 week, automatically they become rolled up.
That
is cinnamon stick. We can just make coffee and tea. At least we can use the leaf also. We can get the smell from the leaf.
Just now.
But more the seed, more the seed.
On the...
More on the skin. But the leaf, this one. You can smell it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Then we dry in the sun 1 week, and then we put it in the coffee and tea.
it's cinnamon.
Yeah.
Cinnamon.
Yeah.
We mix it with the saffron, cumin, lemon, and barley sugar. It's good for healing inflammation. Even for back pain.
That's the yellow.
Yeah.
Yellow.
So when I have more money, I always buy this for my mom. My mom is 61. They work in West Padis. So when they harvest, they cut it down. So bend it here.
Yeah. Video tayo next.